Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to access Google Sites in 2025. If you're a student, teacher, or anyone looking to build a quick website, Google Sites is your go-to tool from Google Workspace. It's free, user-friendly, and packed with new features for 2025, like enhanced templates and better collaboration options. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Google account. If you don't, head over to google.com and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace homepage. You'll find a menu or search bar at the top. Type in Google Sites and hit enter, or navigate directly to sites.google.com. In 2025, Google has streamlined the interface for even faster access. After logging in, you'll see the Google Sites dashboard. Click on Create to start a new site, or explore existing ones if you're part of a team. Pro tip: if you're using it for work or school, check if your organization has specific access settings. You might need to go through your admin console. One common hiccup is forgetting to enable certain permissions, so double-check your account settings under Manage Your Google Account for any restrictions. Once you're in, you can customize your site with drag-and-drop tools, add images, videos, and even integrate other Google apps like Docs or Sheets. There you have it. Accessing Google Sites in 2025 is as simple as a few clicks. It's a fantastic way to showcase your ideas without needing coding skills. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.